Let's connect the dots to draw this New Year's gnome. Get your template in the description below, get your art supplies. Let's draw, color, and learn fun gnome facts. So first we're making a circle right in the middle from 1 through 6. I'm going to use a circle template, but you can do it freehand if you like. Now from 2 we're going to connect to 7, 8, and all the way 9 to a point. And then we're going to make a curve all the way to number 4 through 14. And now we're going to do the same thing on this side. And connect at 6. And then here from 13 to 16, we're going to make a curve. Now 23, we're curving all the way to 27, and we're going to do the same on this side. Now we're going to connect 27 to 28, doing an over curve and an under curve. Now connect 27 to 28 with a curve up and a curve down. Now a half moon from 33 to 37. And a smaller curve, 37, 38 to 33. And now the same thing on this side. Now let's go back and finish off his hat. So from 23, I want you to curve outwards and back down to number 2. Same thing on this side, 32, up and around to 6. Now connect 23 to 32 with a gentle curve. And another one just over here. Now over here we're going to make some hair. So we're going to connect to 8 and make curves to points up, and down. And connect to 21 on this side. Now let's make his beard right here. So from 11, we're going to do the same thing as the hair. Curve down to a point, up, down, up, down to a point, almost in line with number 4, and then do the same thing on this side, all the way to 18. Draw a curve here for his body. Another one just over here. And now we're going to do the arms. So starting at 10, sweep out, and down and stop. And then a hand. Just like that. And now from 19, swoop out and down a little bit more. Connect, and then do a hand. So this arm we want it to be swinging out just a little bit. Now let's draw him holding some balloons. So I'm going to make a few right here. Now with my ruler, we're going to draw some straight lines to the hand. Let's draw some stars on his hat just for fun. Gnomes are a lot older than you think. They are mythological creatures originally thought to have been introduced by Paracelsus in the 16th century. Now, it depends on the storyteller, but back then, they were typically said to be little human creatures that lived underground. But others thought they were spirits guarding underground mines and precious treasures. But in the 19th century, small statues of gnomes started appearing on people's lawns, and it grew to such popularity that now we know them as garden gnomes. Because I want my gnome to be New Year's-ish, I'm using the whole black and gold theme. But go ahead, pick your own colors, and feel free to have fun with it. If you do some online research, you can find lots of fun gnome facts. Well, I use fact loosely, of course, but some of them are quite fun. Gnomes are known to be afraid of humans and loud noises. Gnomes have a special language to communicate known as Gnomish. Gnomish. They're very attracted to shiny stuff like gems and love colorful objects. Many people have very strong feelings about garden gnomes. You love them because they're cute, they're colorful, they make your lawn look nice, and they're good luck. But you hate them because they look like children with beards and their eyes follow you everywhere you go. Love them or hate them, gnomes are here to stay. But this guy doesn't want to be a garden gnome. No, he just wants to party. If you love drawing and coloring, and you want to do more, check out this video on your screen next, and let's draw and color that together.